All right. So today I have Bumblebee Salmon that I'm going to be trying out. Right here, you see it says Bumblebee's Snack on the Run. It says salmon salad kit with crackers. I'm looking forward to it. It has 1 spoon. It has 6 crackers and it has 1 can of salmon. All right. So right here it says it's a 3.5 ounces of salmon, and the expiration date is on the bottom. Make sure that you read the expiration date and make sure that it has not expired. Okay, you don't want to eat expired salmon. Right here it says, feeling hungry, craving protein in a rush. We've got you covered. We got you covered. Bumblebee Snack on the Run kits have it all. Tasty protein, great flavors, crispy crackers, and a handy spoon for instant gratification. It says salmon salad is a good source of protein. Please see back panel for nutrition facts. So I'm looking at the nutrition facts, and it says that there's 80 calories per serving with 3 grams of fat and 0.5 grams of saturated fat. So it's low on the saturated fat. A couple other things in there, and the ingredients, they have a lot of stuff in there. I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to go ahead and get to opening up this salmon snack. So there are the crackers right here. Nice crackers. And then also inside is some salmon. Here is the pack of salmon salad. Comes in a Bumblebee. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and open up the crackers so we can get a look at those. So here are the crackers. It said 6 of them. Let me go ahead and count them to see if they're all in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there is indeed 6 crackers in there. And next, I'm going to go ahead and get the Bumblebee salmon salad out of the can. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. All right, so I'm going to peel back the wrapper, and I'm going to have to show you this. So it smells like salmon. Of course, it smells like mayonnaise too. I'm just going to go ahead and dig into this. So I have my crackers, and I'm going to go ahead and take a scoop of this and get some salmon out of it right here. Put the salmon right there. I'm just going to spread a little bit on there like that. So I have the salmon on the cracker, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a bite of this. So right here. See how it tastes. Not too shabby. Has a mayonnaise-y, tangy taste. It almost tastes as if it has relish inside. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more up on here. All right, so I'm kind of packing the crackers with a lot of the salmon salad. So I'm going to take a look at this. If you look up close to it, there's relish there. There's mayonnaise, of course, the salmon. A lot going in on each and every bite of this. Crackers taste good. It appears that they're slightly salted, but I could be wrong. I'll take a look at that after I take a bite of this piece of salmon. Really good. Like I promised, If you look at the cracker, you'll see tiny specks of salt crystals sitting on top of the cracker. Right here. I'm just going to go ahead and eat one of the crackers. Eat one of the crackers by itself and see how it tastes. Slightly sweet, but not too sweet. Definitely tastes the salt, which balances off any sweetness that the cracker has. Looks like one side has salt crystals and the other does not have salt crystals, so it's important to take note. And it looks like I've put too much on my crackers because I don't have many crackers left, but I have, oh, maybe not. There's a lot of salmon tucked in the corners. And my mouth is getting kind of dry. I'm also thinking that maybe perhaps I should get some aqua so don't choke off these dry crackers. They're not dry, but they do absorb a lot of water. Go ahead and try this. It looks like a piece of onion standing up on there. So there's vegetables in here. It looks like there's some onion and some relish. Before I take this next one, I want to go ahead and perhaps pour some water just in case I need some water. All right, so I have a full glass of water just in case. Go ahead and take a bite of this. Here it is right here. Really good. I was thinking that the crackers wouldn't be enough, but I have 2 crackers left and still some more salmon in here. So I'm going to make the best of this. I'm going to go ahead and take one of these. Put this on top right there. Actually, I'm going to do some method right here where I actually scoop this out. Put it on there. So I think I have enough for one more cracker after this. I have one more crack after this. So I'll put that on there. So one thing about this, I can definitely taste the crunch from the vegetables. Definitely taste the crunch from the best vegetables. It doesn't have too much of a fishy taste. That was one thing that I was wondering about, if it would have a heavy fish taste to it, but it doesn't. Go ahead and take this bite right here, and I have one more cracker after this. That was good. So I have one more cracker, which I'm going to add. So I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel right here. Go ahead and scrape that. And then put that right there. And all right, I'm just going to go ahead and take the spoon. I have some off the spoon. Take a swig of water, too. Nice tall glass of water to go along with this. And so I have the last cracker, which I'm going to take. There's only a little bit more of salmon on there. But there's a chunk of, looks like relish right there. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this one right here. That was Bumblebee salmon salad. Really good. I like it, not too fishy. A nice snack to have. And it's already mixed, ready to go. That's one thing I like about that. Not much preparation. The crackers were just good. I needed some water to go along with this, and that worked out fine for me. So overall, I liked Bumblebee salmon salad. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.